Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Special thanks to our Vision viewers who have grown with us. Please join the community, subscribe now and stay updated. Nintendo launched legal war against Radiators over Switch piracy network. Nintendo intensifies its piracy battle as Radiates Switch parties faces legal security over illegal game sharing. In its ongoing battle against Nintendo Switch piracy, the gaming giant has set its sights on Reddit users and moderators who are allegedly involved in promoting pirated games and tools. In a recent legal filing, Nintendo claims that Jam Artbox Williams, a prominent moderator of the subradiator Switch Pirate, operated a vast network of pirate shops dedicated to Nintendo Switch game piracy. The legal action filed in federal court under the case Nintendo of America. Williams alleges that Williams was a key figure in the subreddit piracy operations. The filing states we learned that defendant was the primary moderator of the Switch Pirates Reddit community and apparently was the owner of a GitHub account directly tied to these activities. According to Nintendo, Williams ran accounts linked to distributing pirated Switch games and tools operating under the game Artbox or a close violation of it. The company further claims that through diligent research it was able to connect Williams to an address in the Phoenix, Arizona area. As part of its legal strategy, Nintendo has requested the court to subpoena Reddit, GitHub, and Discord, seeking user records that could link Williams and other individuals to the piracy network. If the request is granted, it could lead to legal action against Reddit users and developers involved in creating or distributing piracy tools for Nintendo systems. While the risk of receiving a personal lawsuit for simply discussing or downloading pirate ROMs seems minimal, those who played a role in creating or distributing piracy tools many soon face legal pressure. Nintendo tactics are clear target key figure in the piracy scene who lack the resources to fight back legally using massive financial penalties to deter illegal activities. This latest move comes as mainstream piracy on the Nintendo Switch appears to have dwindled with tools like Yozo and Ryujinox becoming less prominent. Yet Nintendo legal team is showing no signs of letting up in its quest to rid the platform of illegal activities. It seems the battle is far from over and those who won the frinks of piracy may need to start watching their back. I hope you will enjoy this news. Have a nice time. Goodbye.